Scientists have talked about the questions of the origins of life, which I think is an incredible ongoing debate, and how the discoveries in molecular biology about the information-bearing properties of DNA have completely turned the terms of debate. It turns out by the mid-80s no one could understand where this information had come from. Now if we want to explain the origins of first life from simple non-living chemicals, that is great. You can imagine the chemical knocking into each other. But how are chemicals, especially undirected chemical reactions, gonna get you cold? It is an evolutionary foundational truth factor. What historically scientists have tried to do was look at clues and try to reason back to what may have caused those clues to emerge. And Charles Darwin actually proposed a way. He developed a method of reasoning specifically applied to this origin question. Now, rather than sitting in a laboratory bench and trying to get some processes to occur in a controlled lab condition, what are the likely causes given the facts of the evidence we are looking at? While many scientists apply this method of inference to the best explanation method, and the best explanation is the one which posits a cause which is known to produce the effect, and the answer was straightforward. Information, code, was a product of reasoning, intelligence, mind, which was one of the most fascinating and fantastic discovery about DNA. And not just the structure of DNA, which was discovered in 1953, but that DNA contains digital information and alphabetic structure form, which is the elucidation of DNA first made by Watson and Crick back in 1953. Notably, Bill Gates has remarked that the DNA is like a software program, but much more complex than any we've ever written. And this formulated the basis in favor of the argumentation of an intelligent design. And what didn't seem plausible and proven so perplexing to people trying to explain the origins of life from the evidence of undirected chemical reactions was rather, unambiguously and most possibly, the cause of an intelligent source, as carefully reasoned by Charles P. Thaxton in his book, The Origins of the Genetic Information.